Hey guys, welcome back to my girl's channel. Okay, well, she didn't give me no time to, say anything about what she did, like her eyebrows and all that stuff. But, here we go with the eyeshadows. I got to scratch, so hold up. Okay, and then we're gonna, whoa, wait a minute, babe. What the heck is this? This is very new. You ain't never put this on your eyes. So what is this new thing coming, huh? Because I ain't never seen it. I don't even know what you're doing. This is totally something new. Very new. Okay, as we all know, we blend. Okay, but I still don't know what this is. Can somebody explain to me? Because I don't know what it is. I mean, I guess we're just gonna see what happens. Okay, she's gonna use red. Okay, my favorite color besides orange. All right, let's see here. Ooh, did she mess up? Nope. Okay, no, she's good. Okay, what's gonna come out to all of this? How's she gonna do what she do with her makeup? Okay, we still blending. She just gonna do one eye? Nope. Next eye. All right, got it. Okay, red. Looks a little pinkish, kind of. But it's a red. Looks good on her, too. Packing it on, girl. Pack it then, girl. Pack it. You pack that eyeshadow. This eye looks a little darker than the other. But she might fix it. Maybe. Yeah, it looks a little darker. Not that bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Still looks a little darker on that side. Yep, see, told you guys she was going to make it darker. If I don't know my baby, then I don't know who does, because I know her. Yep. As she always does, she puts every makeup down to her hairline, like her hair needs some makeup on it. It don't need nothing. It's fine how it is. Just fine. Okay. Alright, not too bad, baby. Not too bad. Oh, almost messed up. Did she? She almost put it there. It's supposed to go there. What? Why'd you make that face then, babe? It was supposed to go there. It looks good, though. This, I feel like I've seen her do, but then maybe, I don't know. Only halfway. Okay. Let's see where this is going. Okay. Wait, did she just skip the other eye and just do it so quickly? I guess so. This is concealer, if I read right. What the? Something else new. What the heck is going on here, baby? I've never seen you do this to your eyes. What is this? I mean, I know what it is, but for one, you're messing up your brush. For two, this is something new again. So I need to know what this is. James Charles, huh? Not sponsored again. White. Okay. So you put something new on your eyes. Don't know what it was, but you put something on there. Then you put the color. And what? You need more red? Okay. I guess she didn't want it to look too white, I guess. I don't know what she's doing. But alright. Okay. Not too bad, baby. Not too bad. Alright. And now, eyeliner. Oh, baby, messed up right there in the middle. Oh, you fixed it. Okay. I don't get why you put eyeliner if it's just going to be covered with the spiders. Oh, so you're waiting for me to die on the game, huh? So what you're saying is you're just using me. Great. Thanks, babe. Yep, you're going to wait for a while because I'm that good and I don't lose. Yeah, I do, guys. I suck. TikTok, you're still going to wait. Oh, I lost. So you think it's funny, huh? I got them for you. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Okay. Now this little thing here, I think this is another eyeliner. I didn't read it, but I think, oh, look, guys. Once again, she's still not using the little eyelash thing that I got for her. Supposedly, it's going to make a cameo in the next one, so we'll see about it. But I didn't buy her these ones. These silver things, nope. I don't know how much I spent on her for that little thing, but I spent money on it, and she uses something totally else for her freaking lashes. What was the point of me buying it if you're not even going to use it, babe? Pretty ugly. Just kidding. Now we are blending what she should have done a long time ago because she's just trying all new things in this video, okay? Everything is okay. Babe, I swear, sometimes you be going too fast for me. And I re-watch these just so I know, but you still go fast. I love this little white thing she puts in her eyes. I don't know what about it, but it be making her eyes. I love it. Keep doing it, baby. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Now this little bronzer, if I'm correct, just a little bit, you know, make her a little, you know, not so white. Girl, you blend so much. How much more do you need blended? Just keep blending it and blending it. That's all you do. Just blend, 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 blend. Whatever. Just be done already, babe. How much more blending do you need? You done? Nope, still blending. Now, ooh, it's a little dusty there. Highlighter, baby. Ooh, yeah. That nose, look at it shining. Right cheek, left cheek. Right cheek, left cheek. Get it, girl. Get the other cheek. Ooh. Popping highlighter, baby. Popping. Can't forget the top of the lip. Ooh, that made a V shape. Popping, baby. Girl, you're doing so much new stuff in this video. Hair time. Once again, something new. Okay, so her little famous little side, little burns, things, whatever you want to call these. Her hair is too short, so it don't go up unless you tuck it. Looking good, baby. Yes, you are. Okay. Sorry, guys. All right, let's brush these little naps I got here. Okay. Yeah, baby, you got some naps. I'm surprised the brush is going through. Just kidding. Okay, this is new too. She don't really put stuff in her hair. She barely put water in it. Y'all see her hair now? Under all this little flat iron stuff that she's doing, her hair is very beautiful and very curly. But you guys will never probably see that because who knows why. I love the curliness, but babe doesn't. And it makes me so angry because I absolutely love her curly hair. And to be honest, I don't even know what her curly hair looks like because she straightens it so goddamn much that what is curly hair on her? Babe, please tell me, what was the point of you flat ironing your little sideburns for you just to pull them out and mess up your hair? What was the point? Now you pulled out a little bit. Oh, you fixed it, huh? Oh, I'm sure you did. All right, let's see how she put this little ponytail in. Okay. The ponytail. Okay. Let's get it in there. Ow. Okay. Let's twist it around. Let's get it in there. Make sure it's in there, babe. Make sure it's in there. Still spinning that thing around. Gotta make sure it don't fall. Okay. Nah, I don't like it. Look too raggedy. Take 2. Let's go. Let's see how take two works out better for her. Does it work out, baby? Does it work out? Well, let's see. Does it work for you this time? Let's see. Okay. I see you, baby. I see you, honey. I see it. Okay. Okay. Looking amazing. Put them bobby pins in so it don't fall. Slay it, baby. Slay it. Let's fix these little edges, hairs here. Make sure they all nice and tucked. Okay. But goddamn, baby, you look so goddamn good. I can't talk. Yeah, I want to kiss because you look so delicious. Now kiss me. Mwah. I love you, girl. I love you. Back to you as always, beautiful. Her and these goddamn earrings. I love it, and you're beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button. Drop a comment, share, and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching my girlfriend's channel. Baby, you look beautiful. Till next time.